Hello AI lovers, in my last video, I showed you how to use the new Ideogram AI consistent character feature. Now, they've added another way to use this feature called face swap, which allows you to change the faces of people and characters with ease. I know that AI face swap has existed before, but Ideogram AI is one of the first AI image generators to incorporate it directly. Let's see how well it works and if this new upgrade is truly worth the attention. The first thing we're going to do is log into Ideogram AI. Then go to the character tab, that's where everything is going to happen. We're going to upload an image. Once you upload it, you'll see options to use templates. When you click on templates, you'll see the option for scenes and face swap. We tested the scene feature in the previous video, but today I'll be focusing solely on the face swap. There are some built-in templates provided by Ideogram AI. There aren't many meme female templates here, so I'm going to select this one. Once I select it, you'll see it automatically adds the prompt to the text box. You can also adjust the settings if you want, but I'm not going to do that in this video because it's not necessary. I will just click on Magic Fill. Here we go. This is the result. I think it's amazing. I've used many other AI face swap tools, and this one feels revolutionary. It doesn't just change the face, you can also select things like the hands. So that's how their templates work. But now, let me try using my own images. This time, I'm going to remove their template and select a scene from the Barbie movie, because sometimes you just want to put your face on Barbie. So here's what I'll do. Remove the template by clicking the X on the image. Click on the image upload icon. Upload my chosen image, in this case, the Barbie scene. Once it uploads, select Magic Fill. Then, use the brush tool to select the area of the image you want to swap. In this case, I only want to do the face. Click Next. Then I will write a simple prompt. You should keep it short. If the prompt is too long, the AI might get confused. Then click Magic Fill again. Here's the result. I think it's great. I made a mistake. I accidentally selected part of Barbie's blonde hair, so it reflected in the new image. That's why you have to be careful with your selections because whatever area you select will be edited. Now, what if you want to use face swap on a group photo, like you would in Photoshop? It's very easy to do with this new feature. Let me show you how. I will select a character I already uploaded earlier. Then I'll upload the group image. I will repeat the selection process again. This time, I'll carefully use the eraser tool to avoid selecting hair or other parts of people in the photo. This is very important in group edits. Once I've cleaned the selection, I'll add a simple 5-word prompt. Then click on Magic Fill. And here we go, the result looks perfect. Now let's add the next person. With the new image selected, click Magic Fill again. It will take you back to the character page. Remove the initial character and upload a new one. Now there are 2 changed faces in the group photo, and it looks real good. Let's do the last person. This time, I want to change not only her face, but also her hair. So I'll take my time selecting carefully, making sure I don't overlap the selection with anyone else. I'll make sure to change the prompt to girl, then run it. Here's the result. It changed her face, hair, eyes, and blended everything perfectly into the group. I think if you have more than 10 people in one photo, it might get tricky, but for smaller groups, it works amazingly well. Honestly, I've never seen a face swap tool that can do this with such clean results. This really feels groundbreaking and revolutionary for editing images. You don't need Photoshop anymore. This gives you professional results instantly, and I absolutely love it. So if you enjoy videos like this about AI image and video generators and want to learn how to use them in your own workflow, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.